Alright, that's with the lip installed. Show you the mounting points I used. So I actually went back a little further on the left because most of your force is going to be pushing down on the front, so you can space out the sides a little more. You can see pretty much followed the holes of all the clips you took out. The only one I didn't was this one on the corner. It really needed one here because if you pull down on it, it used to move. And then on this side, same thing. You can see I used the original hole in the bumper, but I don't have enough hardware, so I took that out and I relocated it backwards like I did on the other side. So now it's pretty good. You can go ahead and take a look at the gap. That's really what you want to pay attention to on here. You can kind of see right in the center where I took that bolt out, but if you want, you could always get another bolt and throw it in there. Otherwise, I mean, it looks really good. You want it nice and tight with the body. Again, the only section that could be improved upon is right there. If only I had 2 more bolts, it'd be perfect, but I'll have to source some and put some on later. But I mean, yeah, go ahead and pull down on it a bit. Make sure it isn't separating from the car, and you know you're good. So I know it's not a complete walkthrough, but at least I hope it helps someone guide you through it at least a little bit.